Hey there, fam. It's so great to see you all here today. Whether you're a seasoned language learner or just starting out, you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel where we turn language learning into a party. That's right, no boring textbooks or monotonous drills here. We're all about having fun while we learn. Imagine learning a new language as if you're at a lively party with friends. There's laughter, excitement, and a whole lot of interaction. That's the vibe we're going for. Today we're jet-setting to the Czech Republic, virtually of course, and packing our vocab suitcases with 50 conversational Czech phrases that'll have you mingling like a local. The Czech Republic is a beautiful country with a rich history and vibrant culture. From the stunning architecture of Prague to the picturesque countryside, there's so much to explore. But to truly experience the magic of the Czech Republic, you need to connect with its people. And what better way to do that than by speaking their language? Get ready to ditch those awkward tourist moments and say ahoj to confident communication. Imagine walking into a local cafe, ordering your favorite drink, and striking up a conversation with the barista. Or perhaps you're exploring a local market, and you want to ask about the best local delicacies. With the phrases you'll learn today, you'll be able to do just that. Language is a bridge that connects us to new cultures and experiences. It opens doors to new friendships and unforgettable memories. So let's dive into these 50 essential Czech phrases. We'll start with greetings and basic expressions, then move on to more specific phrases for different situations. First up, let's learn how to say hello. In Czech, you say ahoj, ahoy. It's a friendly and informal way to greet someone, similar to saying hi in English. Next, let's learn how to ask someone how they are. You can say jak se máš, jak se máš. It's a great way to show interest in someone's well-being. And when someone asks you how you are, you can respond with mám se dobré, which means I'm doing well. Now let's move on to some useful phrases for everyday situations. If you need to ask for directions, you can say kde je, which means where is. For example, if you're looking for the nearest restroom, you can say kde je nejbližší toaleta, kde je nejbližší toaleta. If you want to thank someone, you can say děkuji. It's always good to show appreciation. And if someone thanks you, you can respond with není zák, which means you're welcome. Let's not forget about ordering food and drinks. If you're at a restaurant and want to order a beer, you can say pivo prosím. And if you prefer wine, you can say víno prosím. Now let's practice some phrases for shopping. If you want to ask how much something costs, you can say kolik to stojí. And if you want to buy something, you can say kupim to, which means I'll buy it. These are just a few of the phrases we'll cover today. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in conversational Czech. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get this Czech party started. By the time we're done, you'll be ready to impress your friends and locals alike with your new language skills. Let's get this Czech party started. Let's kick things off with the basics. Hello in Czech is ahoj. Practice it with me, ahoj. Now that we've said hello, let's learn how to say goodbye. Goodbye in Czech is spoum, a polite way to end your chat. Manners matter. Saying please in Czech is prosím. It's so polite, so chic, and universally appreciated. Always good to be polite. Chapter 4. Thank you, děkuji. Show your gratitude. Thank you in Czech is děkuji. You're going to be saying this a lot. Yes, ano, a simple affirmation. Chapter 6. No, ne, a clear negation. No in Czech is ne, short, sweet, to the point. Chapter 7. Excuse me, promiňte, need to get someone's attention politely? Excuse me is promiňte, so smooth. Chapter 9. I'm sorry, omluvám se. Need to apologize sincerely? I'm sorry is omluvám se. Chapter 9. Do you speak English? Mluvite anglicky? A useful question for travelers. Chapter 10. Lost in translation, I don't understand is nerozumím, when you need clarification. Chapter 11. Got a budget, how much does it cost? Is kolik to stojí, essential for shopping. Chapter 12. When nature calls, where is the bathroom? Is kde je toaleta? An important question in any language. Chapter 14. Help, pomoc, for emergencies. In case of emergency, help in Czech is pomoc. Stay safe out there. Chapter 15. I need a doctor. potrzebuji lekarza, when you need medical assistance. Hoping you don't need this one, but I need a doctor, is potrzebuji lekarza. In this chapter, we will explore the essential phrases and vocabulary you might need in a medical emergency or when seeking medical assistance in the Czech Republic. Knowing how to communicate effectively in such situations can be crucial. Imagine you're traveling, and suddenly you or someone you're with falls ill or gets injured. Being able to say, "I need a doctor" in the local language can make a significant difference in getting timely help. Let's break it down. Potrzebuji means "I need," and lekarza means "doctor." Together, potrzebuji lekarza is a straightforward and direct way to ask for medical help. Now, let's consider some additional phrases that might come in handy. For instance, if you need to ask for an ambulance, you can say potrzebuji sanitku. If you need to find a hospital, you can ask "Gdzie nemocniczy," which means "Where is the hospital?" Understanding these phrases can help you navigate through a medical emergency more smoothly. It's also helpful to know how to describe your symptoms. For example, "Boli me hlava" means "I have a headache," and "Mam horeku" means "I have a fever." By learning these essential phrases, you can ensure that you are better prepared for any medical situation that might arise during your travels. Remember, being able to communicate your needs clearly can make a world of difference in an emergency. Wanderlust gone wrong? I'm lost as Gemstrasseny. When you need directions, don't worry, you'll find your way. Need a little assistance? Can you help me? Is muzete mi pomoci? Asking for assistance. What time is it? A common question. In Czech, it's kolik je hodin? Woohoo, you did it! Learning a new language is no small feat, and you've just conquered 50 Czech phrases. That's a huge milestone. Imagine all the conversations you'll be able to have, the connections you'll make, and the adventures you'll embark on. It's time to celebrate this achievement because it's a big deal. Whether you're planning a trip to the Czech Republic or just want to impress your friends with your new language skills, you're well on your way. So, take a moment to bask in your success. You've earned it. 50 Czech phrases down, a whole world of Czech adventures to go. Picture yourself strolling through the charming streets of Prague, navigating the bustling markets, and ordering delicious local delicacies with ease. The Czech Republic is a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. From the stunning architecture of Prague Castle to the serene landscapes of Bohemian Switzerland, there's so much to explore. And now, with your newfound language skills, you'll be able to dive deeper into the local culture and truly experience everything this amazing country has to offer. So grab your map, put on your walking shoes, and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Let's do a quick recap of what you've learned so far. You've mastered essential phrases like "Dobrý den," good day, "Prosím," please, and "Děkuji," thank you. These basic greetings and expressions are the building blocks of any conversation. You've also learned how to ask for directions, order food, and make small talk. These practical phrases will come in handy whether you're exploring the city or mingling with locals. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. So keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Keep practicing these phrases, impress your friends, and soon you'll be fluent enough to order a trdelník without even breaking a sweat. Trdelník, a traditional Czech pastry, is a must-try when you're in the Czech Republic. It's a sweet, doughy treat that's cooked on a spit and coated in sugar and cinnamon. Imagine walking up to a market stall, confidently ordering a trdelník in Czech, and savoring every delicious bite. Your friends will be amazed at how effortlessly you navigate the language and culture. And who knows, you might even inspire them to start learning Czech too. So keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and soon enough you'll be speaking Czech like a pro. Thanks for hanging, and I'll catch you in the next video. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Every word you learn, every phrase you master, brings you one step closer to fluency. So, keep up the great work, stay curious, and most importantly, have fun with it. The journey of learning a new language is filled with exciting discoveries and rewarding experiences. I'm so proud of how far you've come, and I can't wait to see where your language skills take you next. Until then, happy learning. and subscribe to this channel for more such language learning tips.